Hello, this is Greg. I'm doing a little experiment this morning. Um, I have Mr. Dangerous out. It's a plug-in with two clips on it. What I want to do is see if this little board will run off of AC. So here's my line. Let me flip this over, make sure I got a good connection. There's the line. You see this under the microscope fairly close. There's the ground. There. Let's roll this apparatus over. Set that down. I got a GUI here. Oh, now a scalp just flew. That's sticky. Okay, now let's see. The power strip is off. Can I plug it in and still have that stay where it's at? Let's see. Come on. And we'll just maneuver the scope here and here. Okay. And then I'm getting up. I'm just going to on and off it. Okay. Promising. Uh-oh. Okay, that's that light up there. Grab the thermal camera. I have limited success with this. I'm not quite sure how to determine whether it had 110 going into it after I've torn the entire unit apart. Okay, let's go to this. Turning on my thermal camera right now is what I'm doing. Let's see, can we get this around here to where everybody can see what's happening here. And power on. And hell, that looks pretty freaking good to me. My highest temperature is, 60 degrees, and I am using Fahrenheit. So take note of that. All right, let's turn that off. Set you down. Oh, actually, we'll just set you down right. I got too much crap sitting here. Set you down right here. And I suppose I can sit down again. I don't think it's going to blow up. All right. Now, let's go ahead. That's off. Uh-oh. Ground. Okay, so let's take the red wire and hook it up to the positive pad. And the ground. Boom, right there. Can we see that on the... Can't really see this super good on the thing, but I got to maneuver some things around here. Nothing can touch here. Okay, let's move this over to here. And what do we got now? We got minus voltage. Okay, let's take another look. Now there is two pads here. There's one right there. There we go. Now we got positive voltage. We got 5 volts, 8 volts. Oh, no, we're at kiloohms. Kiloohms, all right. So, let's take one more here, a little peek. It's not going to touch. No, no, no. I used to have a little piece of cardboard. I've misplaced it. So I'll use the directions to my thing here to kind of just slip that. There we go. Okay. Now, let's hit the power here and see what we get coming out of this. It should be, I'm thinking 5 volts, but let's take a look. 12 volts. Okay, so the second pad, I get 12. Oh, no, it does. It says 12 volts right there. And then it has a 5 volt right there. So that must be that second pad. And look at that. That's a nice consistent 12.87. And DC. Okay, well, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. But I have one that works. Yay! 12 and 5 volts coming out. Hell, I've bought in these. All right. So I have no idea whether that'll help anybody or not, but I thought it was cool, so I recorded it. If you're watching it, I posted it. Thanks for watching.